Hi guys, it's Helen at Confidental here. Just wanted to read you a couple of our reviews we've had recently from all of our lovely patients, which we love to hear from. So we've recently had one from James, who says really great service and accommodating staff behind the desk and very informative dentists. The information I received about my dental health was informative and everybody was very gentle. We've also had a 5-star review from Samantha on Google, saying I first went to Confidental in August for an emergency appointment and they squeezed me in at the last minute. From the moment I walked through the door, I was greeted by very friendly staff on reception, and the dentist was so incredible and lovely that I even booked in for a full checkup. Since then, I've also had a hygienist appointment, which was very gentle, and I've also signed up to their membership. It makes everything really affordable and you don't feel like you're spending a fortune. I travelled 20 miles because I feel like the dentist is that good. Thank you very much, Samantha. We love hearing that. And we've also had one from Imogen, who says, for every appointment, I am greeted by friendly, professional staff who always have a smile on their face. I am never kept waiting for long for my appointments, and treatments are always quick and painless. I would highly recommend. So that's a couple of our most recent reviews. We love hearing from you. If you want to leave us a review, you can do on Google or on Facebook, and we love to hear from you soon. Thank you.